cool.
I like that one. I like that one. I love that one. I like that one. Can we buy more?
Yeah, those are artillery shells.
We got 6 of those,
We've got a lot of them.
5 left.
We have 12 left.
Mm-hmm.
I love it. I love it too. Look here, Dave.
That was neat.
I love it. I love it. That's my mom.
That's so funny.
I love it.
Oh, look out.
Oh!
Not very high.
I know, it didn't go up high at all, but it has a big bang to it.
Baby, that means it's a black cat.
Oh, you think so? Maybe.